What's up guys, it's No Cap Invest here to share a quick way anyone can invest in commodities in a really easy and fast way. Basically it's called an ETF called COMB, and no, not that COMB, Pej, this COMB, C-O-M-B, and I'm going to go ahead and read you guys some of the key features. So it's a broad index that is benchmarked against the Bloomberg Commodity Index. It directly holds commodity futures, contracts, and short-term treasury bills as collateral. There's no K1, that means that is way less complicated for tax purposes. It only charges a 25% management fee. It has a diversified exposure to all different types of commodities, including across 23 different commodity futures, spanning across 5 different economic sectors, covering softs, livestock, energy, as well as base and precious metals. Commodities provide exposure to supply and demand shocks, technological advancements, geopolitics, storage, environmental, and even trade concerns. These exposures are hard to access through equity or fixed income portfolios, and this can help diversify your portfolio, especially in 2022, especially with war in Ukraine and the run-up in oil prices this year. I'm going to go ahead and go over some of the fund sector breakdown. It is pretty heavily weighted in energy, about 33.28%. It's got a 22.4% weighting in grains, 17% in precious metals, 15% in base metals, 6% in softs, and about 5% in livestock. So as you can see, the reason I really like this ETF is because it has a very heavy weighting in grain right now, and as you know, with war in Russia and Ukraine, it's really doing a big shock on the grain supply, which is going to affect the entire economy in all sorts of different ways. The grain price is already up 50% in some places, even more in some places. Don't think you can't get exposure to commodities just because you don't want to trade futures contracts and deal with all the K1s and all the tax considerations. This ETF has a low management fee. It pays a solid dividend, about 12%, and yeah, it's part of my portfolio. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been No Cap Invest. No, can't even say my name right. You know the channel. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. See you next time.